It's late at night. You're lying in bed, eyes closed, but sleep just won't come. Minutes feel like hours. You check the time again, and the frustration starts to grow. If this happens often, you're not alone. This is called insomnia, and it's more common than you think. But here's something important. Insomnia is not just about not sleeping. It's about your brain staying active when it should be resting. During the day, your brain is busy and distracted. But at night, everything becomes quiet, and your thoughts become louder. At the same time, your body may still be in a state of stress. Your brain releases alert signals, keeping you awake even when you're tired. But here's the good news. You can help your brain switch into sleep mode. Try this simple science-based method. Take a slow breath in for 4 seconds. Hold it gently. Now breathe out slowly for 6 seconds. Do this for a few minutes. This tells your nervous system that you are safe. And when your body feels safe, your brain begins to relax. You don't need to force sleep. You just need to create calm. Sleep will follow naturally. Follow relaxation science for more science-based sleep techniques.